Hey guys, ever wondered about using an application on your mobile without even downloading it? Don't worry, I got you covered. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technopark, and I am your host Devesh. So, without wasting any more time, let's start our discussion on the Android instant applications. Instant applications are those applications which you can test without even downloading the full application on your device. When you will come across any instant application on the Google Play Store, you will find a try it now option for that application. When you will click on this option, you will be able to experience a certain part of the application without even downloading the complete application. For example, here you can see that I have searched for Boom Air Hockey application. This is an instant application as I am getting a try it now option here. The moment I click on it, I will be able to use certain parts of the application. In this case, I will be able to experience how the game looks overall. You can see it on the screen how I am able to access the application without even downloading it. But when exactly these applications came into picture and what is it that makes these applications so amazing? Let's find out. Work on instant applications started in 2016, and with the release of Android Studio 3.0 in October 2017, these applications became a reality. Instant applications can prove to be beneficial in many ways. For example, instant apps can be shared with friends and families. These apps have better discoverability on the Play Store. Developers can show certain section of the application to users without making them download the entire application. This reduces the likelihood of a user leaving a negative review if he is dissatisfied. Well, the story does not end here. Instant apps come with their own set of challenges too. Since these applications consist of smaller sets of codes, these are more prone to cyber attacks. These applications cannot use background services or notifications on your device. For example, if you have ordered food using an instant application, it will not be able to send notifications regarding every minute of the process. Instead of these challenges, I personally believe that instant applications can literally change the game for many industries. Top two industries in which I think these can prove really useful are: first one is the gaming industry. Game developers in general can benefit from instant applications because end users can play a particular level of the game. Once that level gains the end user's interest, he or she can download the full application after that. Second is the e-commerce industry. These organizations benefit greatly from instant applications. End users that find the company's instant app through a Google search or the company website will be encouraged to download the full application, therefore increasing the adoption rate. So, we saw today an amazing technical development. It would be amazing to see how these instant applications will help revolutionize industries. Whether or not these applications will be able to pass the test of time is yet to be seen. Tell us what you feel about the instant applications future in the comments section. For knowing more about trending technologies, stay tuned, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss a video. Take care, thank you, and God bless technology.